two leading CRM solutions go head-to-head, it's Zoho CRM versus Bitrix24. Which one actually gives your business the edge? On the left, we have Zoho CRM, known for its versatility and customization. On the right, Bitrix24, a platform packed with team collaboration features. We're putting both through their paces in real-world scenarios: features, ease of use, integrations, pricing, support, and more. Forget the confusing jargon, let's see how these platforms really stack up in the ways that matter. Each round will award points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one wins for your needs. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So, quick roadmap before we jump in. We'll hit all the important stuff: price, features, integrations, teamwork, and collaboration, how easy these things really are to use, security, and what you can actually customize. It's a lot, I know, but hey, you want the real lowdown, right? Alright, first up, price. So Zoho CRM actually gives you a free plan that's, surprisingly handy, not just a glorified demo like some others. And if you need to upgrade, the paid tiers are still friendly for small businesses. The flip, you do have to shell out for advanced features, but honestly pretty standard. Now Bitrix24, its free plan, you might want to check the fine print, especially if you need real CRM features, cause they're a bit barebones. But for big teams, that all-in-one pricing starts to shine. Still, Zoho's the clear deal here. Moving on to features, and oh man, this is where things get spicy. Zoho packs all the classic CRM stuff you expect, plus some neat AI for sales and a ton of tweaks. But, and this is important, if you want project management actually inside your CRM, Zoho leaves you hanging. Bitrix24, on the other hand, is like drinking from a fire hose. CRM, project tools, live chat, website builder, even some HR tools, it's kinda wild. Sure, you probably won't use every tool in there, but if you want big all-in-one energy, Bitrix24 got it. Next, integrations. This is a big one for a lot of folks. So Zoho just eats this category for breakfast. Over 2,000 integrations with big names like Google, Microsoft, Slack, even marketing stuff like MailChimp. Downside, fancier integrations cost extra. Now Bitrix24, while it crushes it within its own ecosystem and has a legit API, it just doesn't play with as many outside apps. So if you live and die by integrations, Zoho is definitely your buddy here. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Bitrix24 was actually one of the first CRM platforms to throw in a built-in social network for teams. Seriously, before Slack was even trendy. Let's talk teamwork collaboration. Zoho does the basics: team feeds, commenting, nothing to write home about really, but Bitrix24 is basically a digital office. Chat, video calls, collaborative docs, even your own social network. If you're all about working as a team, Bitrix absolutely takes the crown. Downside, if you just want a simple CRM, their interface might feel like, why is there so much stuff? Ease of use, this one can make or break your day. Zoho is honestly a breath of fresh air. The whole layout just makes sense, and if you're not super technical, you're not gonna break a sweat setting things up. The hiccup. Some of the deeper tweaks can be tricky at first. Bitrix24 can look super sleek when customized, but straight up, the learning curve is no joke. So Zoho takes the win for plain and simple usability. Now, security and compliance, because hey, no one wants to be that company on the news for a data leak. Both Zoho CRM and Bitrix24 take this seriously: GDPR, encryption, all the good stuff. Bitrix even throws in ISO certification and two-factor authentication. Honestly, you're in safe hands with either. I'd call this one a tie. Customization is last but definitely not least. Zoho lets you build custom modules, automate stuff, and over at their marketplace you can find all sorts of extensions. But real talk, if you want to do serious custom magic, you'll need someone who knows what they're doing. Bitrix24 got a visual builder, custom objects, and lets you white label everything if you're on the higher plans. Fancy, right? It can get complicated though, so both give you the freedom, just be ready to spend a little time learning. So if you look at everything side by side, price, features, integrations, collaboration, how easy they are, customization, you start to see where each one really shines and where it maybe just kinda shows up. Some categories are close, but others are landslides. Alright, time for my take. If you're a small or medium business that just wants something clean, super easy to use, and you want it to connect with a ton of other apps, Zoho CRM is almost too good to pass up. But if your squad is huge or needs deep collaboration, project workflows, or you basically want your CRM to be your whole workplace, Bitrix24 actually makes a lot of sense. Both are solid, just depends on your vibe, but for most folks, Zoho comes out just a bit ahead. If this CRM showdown helped you, hit that follow for more honest head-to-heads and real talk on all things business tech. I appreciate you hanging out, catch you in the next one.